Hey, it's Steve with 199roofrepair.com. I'm going to maintain your roof. I'm going to fix leaks on your roof. I'm going to rejuvenate your roof. I'm going to restore your roof. I'm going to add life expectancy to your roof. Did you know insurance companies are denying writing policies on roofs, shingle roofs that is, that are as new as 7 years old? That's right. I don't know what's happening with the insurance industry, but they don't want to take on any risk on shingle roofs. Even when the roof is only 7 years old. We had one person that bought a mobile home from Clayton Mobile Homes. It had 3-tab roof shingles on the brand new mobile house. He moved it to his land. He called his insurance company, Farmers, to get insurance on his brand new mobile home out in rural Texas. And you know what? Farmers stopped last October insuring 3-tab shingle roofs. I'm talking about a brand new house with a brand new shingle roof. So his agent called me and they wanted me to go out there and give them a price to tear off the brand new 3-tab shingles and put on the laminated dimensional shingles on his brand new mobile home. Is that crazy? You've got to go online, do ChatGTP, or just go Google and hit the news tab at the top. Plug in the words roof insurance, roof denial, and see what's happening. There are homeowners who are getting denied insurance because they have black roofs. That's right, because the roof has mildew. Some of the roofs only have streaks. Did you know the insurance company knows more about your roof than even you know about your roof? Is that crazy? They're flying drones, aircraft, whatever. They're mapping out neighborhoods. They're looking at people's roofs. And if the roof has any amount of damage, or if the roof has discoloration, or if you have a trampoline in your backyard, they're going to ding you for it. I hate to say this. You may have a very good neighbor. It's not your insurance company. Your insurance company is not anymore, it was in the old days, but it's not anymore like a good neighbor. Call us today at 199roofrepair.com. Let us come out and check your roof. Let us do a roof tune-up. Let us get that roof up to par so that it's not going to leak. And if it is leaking, let us fix the leak. We do a 5-year guarantee on leak repair, and if you ever call us back to install a brand new shingle roof, a modified FEMA sealed deck system roof that's going to last a long time, we'll give you back 100% of any money you paid us previous years. No roofer is going to fix a roof and give you back 100% of the roof and guarantee it for 5 years. I want to take care of you. I want to take care of your roof. I want to explain to you what's happening now in the insurance industry when it comes down to roofs. Don't think that a storm's going to blow through here and everybody's going to get a new roof. The Texas Department of Insurance, in an article I read, said almost 50% of the claims in Texas for insurance damage were closed with no money being offered. That's right. 50% of homeowners' claims are being closed with the insurance company not even offering any money. Call us today at 199roofrepair.com. Our phone number is 844, the word leak, LEAK, 199. That's 844-532-5199. Call us today. It's 199roofrepair.com. Thank you.